Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss the load and resistance factor design method of designing a reinforced concrete isolated rectangular footing based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Get the factored load from dead load and live load. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of footing like F1, F2, width of footing, length of footing, depth of footing, depth from natural grade line, long direction bars with size and grade, short direction center bars with size and grade, short direction outer bars with size and grade, strength of concrete, soil bearing capacity, column shape and size, and design loads. Solve the effective soil pressure from footing depth and depth from natural grade line. Then solve the footing size to get the ultimate soil pressure. Critical section diagrams for punching shear, beam shears, and moment evaluations. Solve the maximum moment at long direction from footing size and column length. Then get the concrete beam design ratio Rn to solve the reinforcement ratio raw and check minimum from ACI code. Solve the area of steel at long direction and its equivalent number of bars. Solve the maximum moment at short direction from footing size and column width. Then get the concrete beam design ratio Rn to solve the reinforcement ratio raw and check minimum from ACI code. Solve the area of steel at short direction, then get the area of steel at center strip and the corresponding number of bars. After that, get the area of steel at outer strip and the corresponding number of bars. Finally, test for beam shear strength of both short and long direction by getting the nominal force from factored beam shear, which should be less than the shear strength capacity of concrete, and test for punching shear strength by getting the nominal force from factored punching shear, which should be less than the punching shear strength capacity of concrete. Design recommendation format as follows: design criteria, footing size, depth of footing from natural grade line, long direction bars, and short direction bars. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.